Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a text portrait effect in Canva using a clever layering and blending trick. Let's get started. First, go to create a design and find the template that fits your project. In this case, I'm using the YouTube thumbnail template. Now upload the photo you want to use and fit it to the background. Then go to Elements, scroll to Shapes and select the square. Place it in the top left corner and drag it to cover exactly half of the picture. Make sure it fits perfectly. Then make it black. Next, go to Text and add a text box. I prefer the Anton font from the Canva Sans tab. Bold and clean. Write whatever you want. In this case, I'm going with just smile and be happy. Place them under each other and align them nicely on the left side. Once you're happy with the placement, duplicate the black background shape, drag it to the other half of the image and change its color to white. Then right click on it, go to layer and send it behind the text. Now download this design as an image. Next, delete the objects from your design and upload the image you just downloaded. From the left toolbar, go to Apps and search for Blend Image. Select the first app that appears. Then choose the first photo and from the bottom layer click on Use a selected image and then select the new photo from the top layer. Click on Use selected image and make sure you choose Screen from Blend Mode. Once it's done, click Add to Design and feed it to your background. And boom, you've got a stylish, modern text portrait effect. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this. See you in the following creative tip.